Honey, what you doing?
I am changing this food disposal.
Garbage disposable.
Yeah. Because it's rusty and it's broken. Get a new one. But we're getting a different one because that's all they have. Let's see. This one still looks good. Steel's still good. I probably have to reuse this steel. If they don't give me another one. This one can be the rust inside, that's why. The twists on. I don't know how. But there you go, it's easier. Oh, I forgot something.
You turn off the water.
Like, I see how it goes. Let's put them on the floor so I can pull it out. I got the new one. Okay. Look.
I love this brand. My sink is this brand. Moen.
You don't need that.
You don't need the cover?
No,
Why not?
because there's already one in there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's work. Got to match. We may or may not need those. Make sure there's no stuff inside. It's lighter. Oh, I should have compared the other one the same. Yeah, it should be the same. Okay. So, let me see. It's not the same at all. I need to use. Now you see, it's not even the same shape. So I have to use this one here. Yeah, because it's not the same model. I'm not using it. Maybe using the same screw. How about a screw? Well, it's clean. I'm going to use everything this one has. We don't need to change no one. This one is same.
You sure it match?
Yeah, look. Yeah? Can use this one. Yeah, it looks good. Maybe I don't need to use this. I don't know. I don't have the putty to put it up.
No putty?
Nope.
Oh.
Okay, so go here.
Why don't you just use the new one? You got it already.
Huh?
Oh, you think the hole is
Look,
is
will not match the other one.
oh, it doesn't match our new
Nope.
our old one, huh?
Nope.
Oh.
And this one is going like that. So we go here and here. Because one go this
You
seal.
forgot the another one.
No, that's for the old one.
Oh.
So we don't need that. Why make it hard for you? You make it easy.
Yeah.
Honey, turn on the light. dishwasher hose from here, go in here. This is protective, we just need to take it off. Wow, it's buying good, huh? So we need to take it off from this. Yeah. Let's see. Don't want to make that either, but that one is okay. Just can make it open. Okay, this way. There you go, coming off. I don't even need that either. Okay, that's gonna go back in there. Okay, make sure it's on almost a line here. So when you put it back, it would be, where does put it go? No. One, I need to change the whole thing. I try to avoid doing that. Let's see, if I can help you hold this thing while I'm turning.
Is it heavy?
No. Oh, look like shorter. That's what I hate. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. I don't seem to be. Okay.
Honey, why don't you go this way first? Put that one in before the black thingy. Yeah. Take this one out first. Take it out. And put that one in.
Honey, this one go before this one.
Huh? No.
Honey, it don't matter. I don't go through here.
Here.
I'm always using this one. That's why. No, not work. It go work, but
Always trying to reuse something, huh?
yeah, something work. Why it need to be make it difficult? But let me see. Okay, the second time we try. Okay, I think I catch it now. Nope, I thought I did. Huh, this one ain't on a turn either. Okay, that's done. See, I can't, because I want to see what I'm doing, but I can't stick my head in there. Okay, now I can stick my head long enough.
Yeah. Thank goodness he's tiny.
Okay, I'm just don't over tighten, so just enough to seal the leak. Okay, hopefully it's I stick my head out back.
Oh,
I don't know what this thing in the middle for. Whoa. In the way. Alright, now. Okay. Hopefully they're tight. So we're going to turn cold water and then see you leaking or not. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the boo-boo.
turn on the boo-boo. Check for leak. Looking good.
Alright, honey. We did it. Give us that fire, honey.
Right? I can record that one. We're done. We're saving the receipt, putting the stuff we don't need in the box. Just in case it's broken, we can take it back and return it. Yeah. So everything gonna go in the garage. That's one.